Hello students, so now let us move on to the problem solving of continuous random variables. So now let us solve this problem. It's a very good problem. Most of your concepts will get clear in this problem. Okay. So the length of time in minutes that a certain girl speaks on the mobile is found to be a random phenomena with PDF so and so. So see, I had told in the explanation in the concept videos of random variable that whenever your function is given in terms of intervals, so that means it is a continuous random variable. और यहाँ पे small fx भी दिया है, so it itself is giving you a hint that it is a continuous random variable का sum. Or in exam sometimes they might mention the word continuous random variable. Okay, so these are enough points to identify whether it is a continuous random variable or a discrete random variable. Okay. So the PDF is a times e raised to minus x by 5, x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. So they are telling find a and find the probability that she will talk on the mobile more than 10 minutes. That is obviously very true. Less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes के chances बहुत कम है. I'm just joking. And between 5 and 10 minutes. Okay. So let's start with the sum. So if you remember discrete random variables में table में जब भी unknown होता था तो the first thing what we used to do is we used to find the unknown. So here also we'll do the same thing. We'll find the unknown. तो वहाँ पे summation p of x 1 था. यहाँ पे minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. As I had shown in my previous videos when I had given you the difference between discrete random variable and continuous random variable. So minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. But my PDF is defined from 0 to infinity. Otherwise it is 0. So I'm directly taking the limit 0 से infinity. Because ये देखो आप x greater than 0. x greater than 0 means 0 से infinity. और उसमें फंक्शन क्या है अपना e raised to minus x by 5. e raised to minus x by 5 upon minus 1/5. Okay, now this integral you can compare it with e raised to ax dx is e raised to ax upon a. और अगर यहाँ पे माइनस होगा so you'll have minus a. Okay, so यहाँ पे a is minus 1/5, so I am taking minus 1/5 in the denominator. Now you must be knowing e raised to minus infinity. E raised to minus infinity का value is 0. Okay, and e raised to minus 0. Limits I am putting in place of x because ये differential का variable x था. Okay. So what all did I say? I said e raised to minus infinity is 0. And if someone is wondering what is e raised to infinity, it is infinity. तो क्यों होता है? I'll just show you the graph very quickly. E raised to x का graph is this. Okay, so जब x आप towards minus infinity भागते हो तो value 0 होता है y का. And when आप infinity की ओर भागते हो तो आपका value बढ़ते जाता है, infinite हो जाएगा. Okay, and e raised to 0 is 1. This point is 1. So this was a graph you must have studied in your 11th or 12th. Okay. So this is 0 minus 1 upon minus 1/5. And this is 5. This 1/5 goes on that side. I'll write a as 1/5. So I'll again write fx. See वहाँ पे discrete random variable में whenever we were getting the unknown, the value of c or k, I was again recreating the table. तो यहाँ पे भी फिर से अपने को fx लिखना है. And it is 0 otherwise. Okay. So ये आपका fx. Now let us see what probabilities they are asking. Find the probability that she will talk on the mobile for more than 10 minutes. So they are asking p of x greater than 10. सी अभी किसी स्टूडेंट ने अगर यहाँ पे ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 10 भी लिखा होगा तो भी रॉन्ग नहीं होगा, बिकॉज कंटिन्यूस रैंडम वेरिएबल में इक्वालिटी का फर्क नहीं पड़ता. वेदर यू टेक इक्वालिटी और यू डोंट टेक इक्वालिटी, इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट द प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो मोर देन 10 minutes मीन्स x इज ग्रेटर देन 10. Okay, x is greater than 10. So x greater than 10. So 10 से infinity कितना भी हो सकता है ना. So lower limit is 10, upper limit is infinity. And PDF is 1 by so 1/5. ये e raised to minus infinity, e raised to minus 2. ये आएगा 0 minus 1 upon e square. Okay, now next is less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes means x less than 5. अभी यहाँ पे फिर से अगर स्टूडेंट ने लेस देन इक्वल टू लिखा होगा तो इट डजेंट मैटर, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड दैट कंटिन्यूस रैंडम वेरिएबल में इक्वालिटी का फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लेस देन 5 minutes, so it should be 5 and less than 5. So upper limit is 5. 5 से ऊपर नहीं हो सकता, but 5 तक मैक्सिमम जा सकता है. So the upper limit is 5. Lower limit it won't go up to minus infinity because your PDF starts from 0. यहाँ पे देखो आप. Okay, PDF starts from 0. So lower limit is 0. 1/5. तो ये 0 से 5. And integration of e raised to minus x by 5 is e raised to minus x by 5 upon minus 1/5. 0 से 5. 5 and 5 goes off. e raised to minus 5 by 5. x के जगह पे आप 5 डाल दो. e raised to minus 1 minus 1. ये माइनस ऊपर जाएगा तो आपका आंसर कुछ ये आएगा. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस टेक द फोर्थ पार्ट. Between 5 and 10 minutes. So x is between 5 and 10 now. Now suppose I put equality also, it doesn't matter. If I don't put inequality, don't put equality also, it doesn't matter. So ये 5 to 10 fx dx, and your fx is 1/5. This and this will get cancelled. तो ये आएगा आपका e raised to minus 2. This minus goes on top. So 1 upon e minus 1 upon e square. Yeah, so this is the final answer. So I hope this sum has given you enough clarity on how to deal with continuous random variables.